How to change PIN of DASHER Direct card. To change the PIN for your DASHER Direct card, you can follow these steps. Open the DASHER Direct app on your phone. Enter your email and password to log in. If you have Touch ID enabled, you can use that instead. After logging in, you'll see various options at the bottom of the screen. Select the More option to access additional settings. In the new screen, look for and tap on the Manage Card option. Under the Manage Card section, you'll see an option to change your PIN. Input the new 4-digit PIN in the first field. Re-enter the same PIN in the second field to confirm it. Tap on Change PIN to complete the process. If you're unable to change the PIN through the app, you can try contacting DASHER Direct customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching.